Finding a home with the space, style, price, and location you've been looking for is within reach. Just 15 minutes from the heart of Jacksonville, you'll find our spacious new garage townhomes in a quiet neighborhood. Hi, I'm Bridget. Welcome to Sadler Trace, where you can pull into your attached garage and enter your new home with ease. Let's have a look around. The open space of the great room and kitchen is perfect for gatherings with friends and family. There's even an island for added storage. Your outdoor area includes a lanai, perfect for enjoying a little downtime. Upstairs, there's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and the owner's suite includes dual vanities and a large walk-in closet. There's even space for your washer and dryer upstairs. How convenient is that? Have I mentioned that all of your appliances come included in your new home? Home ownership has been made easy at Sadler Trace, with all exterior yard maintenance included as well. So you'll have plenty of time to enjoy your new home and all the things you love to do, like going out for dinner, attending live events, shopping, sports, go Jags, music, and more. With I-295 just 2 minutes from your door, Naval Air Station Jacksonville only 8 miles away, and some of the region's top medical facilities nearby, getting to and from work is easier than ever. When you consider all of the advantages, it's easy to see from design selection, financing options, and beyond, our team is here to help you with every step of the way. That's our promise to you. Let's get together. Contact us to schedule an in-person appointment and tour. You'll be glad you did. We look forward to welcoming you home soon.